In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add footnotes and citations. By the end, you'll feel confident adding clear references and supporting notes to your document without breaking your writing flow. Let's begin with footnotes. Footnotes are perfect for quick clarifications, definitions, or brief sources that would interrupt your main text. First, place your cursor exactly where you want the footnote reference number to appear. A good rule of thumb is to position it right after the sentence or the quoted material, usually after the punctuation, so your text stays tidy and consistent. Now go to the top menu and click Insert, then choose Footnote. Your document will automatically create a small superscript number where your cursor was and open a matching number at the bottom of the page. Type your note in that bottom area. Keep it concise and informative. Think of it as a helpful aside for your reader. If you later rearrange content, your document will renumber footnotes for you, which keeps everything accurate. That makes footnotes an easy, reliable way to add context without cluttering the main paragraph. Next, let's add citations using the built-in citation tools. Citations are essential for giving proper credit to the sources you rely on and for maintaining academic or professional standards. Click Tools in the top menu, then select Citations. A panel will open on the side of your document. In that panel, choose Add Citation Source. You'll be prompted to pick the source type, such as a book, a website, or a journal article, and then enter its details. Take your time here. Include complete and accurate information like the author, title, publisher, year, and if relevant, the URL or DOI. Consistency counts, so match capitalization and formatting with the style you intend to use. When the details look correct, click Insert to add it to your document. Your document will place the citation based on the tool's settings, and it will align with the style options you've chosen in the Citations panel. If you're working on a longer paper, this keeps everything uniform and easy to update later. As you work, remember the difference in purpose. Footnotes give readers quick, optional details right on the page, while citations formally document your sources. Use footnotes when you want to add context without breaking a sentence, and citations when you need to credit research. With Insert for footnotes and the Citations tool for sources, you'll keep your writing clear, credible, and easy to navigate.